Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to Maker Monday. And you're like, wait, Maker, I see your face. This is rare, right? Normally you see my hands. Well, I had something happen to me last night that I have not had happen to me before. And I hear this from you guys all the time. So I wanted to talk to you about it and tell you how my experience was with it. It's very interesting. So I have been taking some painting classes at our local art association, not because I'm wanting to get good at painting or I want to take up a new hobby, just because I like the art community and I want to be a part of it. And they're offering classes and I want to take it. I'm just enjoying myself, right? No pressure, or so I thought. I thought this is just for fun and to hang out with my friends. So we were at the class last night and we were doing the painting and the teacher's fantastic. Okay, this is not about the teacher. This is about me. Teacher's fantastic. She's teaching us how to do this and I'm doing everything she says. She's sitting beside me, so I'm watching everything she's doing and I'm literally making every single step she's making, or so I think. I see what she's doing, I do it, and then mine doesn't look like hers. No matter what I did, it didn't look like hers. By about halfway through the project, I was really ready to give up. I did not like how it looked and I didn't feel very successful. I felt kind of like, I can't do this. I'm not able to do this thing that I want to do. And she was sitting beside me and she would help me a little bit. And finally, I looked at her and I said, her name's Chris. I said, Chris, mine doesn't look like yours. Like no matter what I do, I think I'm doing what you say, but when I do it, mine doesn't look like yours. And she looked at me, she said, how many paintings have you done? And I was like, well, 2. This is my second. I had 1 class and now this one, I've done 2. And she said, exactly. She's like, I've been doing this for 30 years. She's like, I know exactly how to hold my brush, use it with the bristles, load it with the paint. You're learning. And she said, that's why this is a class. And I was like, that makes perfect sense. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I was frozen. At one point she told us to do something and I went to put my brush down and I couldn't do it. I was like, I don't wanna mess this up, right? And she said, don't worry, keep going. So I did. Needless to say, I wasn't proud of the results. I didn't like what I had done. I didn't like my painting. I didn't like how it looked. And I was really disappointed with myself. Now, of course, everyone in the room, oh, it looks so good. And everybody had their kind of insecurities and stuff about their painting. No one felt like a pro in the room. It wasn't like that at all. But I didn't feel successful. I didn't even want to show Vince my painting, which is so weird because normally I run home and show him what I made, right? Or whatever. So when that happened to me, in that moment when I couldn't put the brush down, I went, oh, this is what my subscribers talk about. This is what they tell me when they watch one of my videos and then the comment is, I did everything you did and mine doesn't look like yours. Or I can't figure out how to put those colors together. Or I can't figure out how to do some crafty thing you're doing. Or I tried just like you do. And I thought, I get it. Now I get it. So here's what I want to say to you. How many of those things have you made, right? I'm very confident in paper crafting. It's what I've done since not even just paper crafting. Gosh, I've crafted since I was 19. All kinds of crafting. Never fine painting. This is new for me. This is completely different. But like all this crafting, and I'm very confident in it. That's why I bring it to you to try to help you, to try to teach you, right? The first thing that you're going to have to do is overcome your fear. And that's so hard to do because you're like, well, that just sounds easy, right? But it's not. You're going to have to make the cut. You're going to have to put the brush on the page. You're going to have to fold the paper, You're going to have to try the glue. You're going to have to see how it works in your own hands. And eventually, you'll get your style. It doesn't mean you're going to love everything you make the first time you make something. You won't. I've had lots of things I did not love. Lots of things I was not proud of. But I'm pretty confident in the stuff I make now, right? So I hope that can happen for you. What I want you to do is push through. Keep going, keep trying, make the thing. Whatever the thing is, try it, right? I'm not telling you have to go invest thousands of dollars to make the one thing. Just try it. Little bits, somebody asked me if you were going to start today with paper crafting, what's the best place you would start? I got to be honest. These folios that we keep putting out are great. And here's why I love them. They're really good gifts because a lot of times when we make cards, we'll make more cards than we can use in a year. A lot of times that happens. You guys know, if you're a card maker, But these folios, everybody I know takes pictures. It's a great gift to send with a card, So Just try one. I actually said that to somebody in a video the other day in a live show. And I said, I promise if you'll make one, the mystery will go away and it'll start to make sense and you'll want to make another one and another one and another one. Now, do I want to keep painting? I think I do. I think I like how it challenged me. Do I want to take up a new hobby? No, I don't have time for a new hobby. I'm not really interested in painting. It's not my thing. But I do like stepping outside of my comfort zone and seeing what that feels like, because I think it will help me to become a better teacher, right? Wouldn't that be cool? I hope this was interesting. I hope you don't mind me taking a Maker Monday to talk about this, but I do think you guys might want to hear it. I think that some of you guys struggle with this, and it was interesting that I was able to experience it, and I wanted to bring it to you and talk to you about it while it was fresh on my mind. I'll put a picture of my bird versus the teacher's bird. Y'all want to see it? I'll put it in right here for you guys to see it. Very different results, but you know what? I kept going and I'm proud that I did, and I'll sign up for the next class. I'll have a good time then too. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye now.